we are not showing you how to manage Paris website. As you see this, we are now is in front page, and all the pages in there, all the menus, items, drop down, everything. Now I am going for the admin panel. To go to the admin panel, type uh, barry barrys.com.my/administrator. Okay, we are now on Barry administrator site. Use your username and password to log in. When logged in, you will see this page like this. This is the admin panel. Now we are going to change some text in the article. I am selecting about us page. As you see, there is a image, text, and lots of things in there. I'm going to put a new line in there. Okay. Now I'm going for the article manager. You can also get it from the content article manager. Now select about us, and you can see the article in article manager. You have all the article in your website. If you want to see then everything, click all from here. You will see all the article in one single page. Okay, now we are going to change the about us page. Just click it. Okay, as you can see, there is lots of option. Here is the name of the article. Don't change anything in there. Now go for the article. Here is the article you want to change. Now we are going to change the last line. Okay, I'm going to the last and type test. Now as you see, you can see it is as easy as typing a word document. Just type and press save. We are now pressing save, not save and close, so it will save and remain in this page. Okay, now the page is saved. Now we'll come to the about us page and refresh the page. Now you see that there is the test line we just write in. Now we definitely don't need this line, so I'm going back and removing, just deleting this line. This time we are going to click save and close, so the document is saved, and we will go back to the article manager. Saved. Now I'm going to refresh again. The thing is gone. Now I know how to edit an article. Now I'm going to show you how to create an article. Click new on the article manager. Make sure you're on the article manager, content article manager, then click new. Here you can see the title, categories, and article text. We're going to just type the title. This is a test. This is our article name, and we're going to type whatever you want. Type anything you like. And now we're going to show you how to add an image. Just place your cursor where you want to add the image. Click the image button, and you can see all the images you have in your site. You can click any of this image and click insert, or you can upload it from your local PC, just like I'm doing it. Browse and select the image you want to upload. I'm going to upload this Google logo. Open. Now click start upload. It will upload this image to our server. Wait for a moment. The image is uploaded, and now check for this image. This is the image. Select it and click insert. Now you see this, our image is in there. That is done. Now I'm going to save this one. Save and close. Now let's find where is the article gone. This is the article. This is the test which you have just created it. But creating an article won't show you in this site, because you have to link it to some of this menu. I'm going to create a new menu in this section. I'm going to show you how. Go to the menus and then main menu. This is our main menu. As you can see, there is also three more menu: main menu, location menu, and about us. This is our main menu. And go to the bottom. This is our location menus, and this is our about menus. Okay, I'm not going to change the main menus. Menus, main menu, and you can see all the menus we have in our main menus. Check home, page, products. As you can see, home, about us, products, and products have three categories. You can see product has three categories. Then outline, then news have four subcategories. News have four subcategories. So I'm going to create a new menu. Just click new. Menu type, this is the important thing. What you want to put in this menu item? There is a lots of things, but we are just going to add a single article. Pay attention. Type what you want to show the menu name. I'm going to put it test in there, just test, and select the article what we have just created. This is the test. You will see all the article in here. Check all the article in there, and this is your test article that we have just created it. Now if I save it right now without changing anything else, check what happened. I've just saved. Now I'm going to refresh. See, there is a test menu come. When I click it, this will show the test article and logo, but we don't want to, definitely don't want this in there. Now why this come here? Because this is our main article, and we are put it in the main root system, not on any subsystem. Like with this, we want this menu in the subsection like news section. Select the news section and click save. Let it load. Now refresh. Now the menu is not there, but we have selected the news section, so it is become a part of the news section. So how we created a sub menu. Now we definitely don't want it in our live site, so I'm going to delete this. Close it. Here you can see all the menus. This is our test. I'm just selecting it and trashing it. Trashing means delete. Now I have trashed it. It is no longer visible in our menu. I'm going to refresh it again and go to the news section. There is not our no menus. Now how you know how to create a menus and sub menus. Now I am going to going for the social responsibility. I know there is some picture in there. Okay, here is all those image and albums. For the image gallery, we have a component, and the admire gallery is our image gallery. Click on this admirer gallery. And click image manager. Okay, you can see this, all these images are there, and now we are going to change the social responsibilities gallery. So there should be a social responsibilities folder. There it is. Click on it, and you can see there are two album. There is our two album. If you want to create a new album, just add a new folder. Name it anything what you want, then click apply, and click on this page. See, there is nothing changes. Why? Because it is the empty, and empty folder cannot be an album, so you have to put an image in there. I'm going to put an image in there. I clicked on the test folder. Now we are inside on the test folder. You can see images folder, then social responsibilities, then test. Now I'm going to upload an image in there. I'm going to upload the same logos and click apply. The image is on the test album. Now we are going there and refresh it, the page. Now you can see this album come. When I clicked in there, we will see there is only one image, and when you click in this image, the image will be full screen. There is nothing else you have to do. Now I am going to show you how to delete an image. Select the image. From the operation, select selected item, select delete option, then click apply. Now the image is gone. Now we refresh the page. There is no image. Now we are going back to the social responsibilities. We have deleted the image, but the album is still there. You can see there is a test. So we are going back the image manager. Then we are going back to the social responsibilities, social responsibility, and we are selecting the test album. Then same way, select delete and click apply. The album is also deleted. Now you know how to create an album, put an image in there, and delete an album and delete an image. Okay, anything else you want to change, please do so. We already have full backup of this site. If anything's go wrong, we can fix it up, so don't worry. If you need any help, please mail me. I will create another video for this particular section so that you can understand it better. Okay, bye bye.